Hi friend! Last weekend, we were in SM Calamba. So, ayan. There's book sale there. So, may haul tayo in book sale SM Calamba. Medyo madami-dami din yung books natin. Additional to our collection or to our library. Yan natin. Kung medyo mabigat siya. So, it's, Freedom in Christ. Ayan. It's a, ayan. Parang, prompts or activities or answers, questions, reflection. And then, we bought yung kay Solen Yosef na old book for only 15 pesos. Ayan. This one is 20 pesos. Ayan. Then, Eat, Clean, Love by the Lobango. Tama ba? Or Rachel Alejandro and her sister. For only 20 pesos. Ayan. Then, Sexy at Any Age. So, it's only 15 pesos only. Then, we have, yung Doodles. For 65 pesos. Hello, Happy. An activity book for young people who sometimes feel sad or angry. Yan. So, mga prompts na naman yan, doodling. And, Children's Spaces for 15 pesos from 0 to 10. Ayan. Yan, dahil we can use with children. Yan, mga sa rooms nila, mga things that you can place in their rooms to stimulate, to make them creative. So, yan ang ating haul from SM Calamba. Yan, mga old releases na books at saka isang devotional. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.